lot different versions of the ketogenic diet, and this version is what I don't really know what to name, so I'm going to call it "You Can't Eat That on Keto" version. And so there's some people, especially in Facebook groups and on blogs and stuff, that'll say, oh, this is keto, vegetables, all vegetables are keto, except for carrots are never keto, berries are never keto, fruit is never keto, sugar is never keto. This is where you are staying in ketosis, and where a lot of this will work is pretty much if you avoid all fruit, if you avoid all sugar, all corn syrup, all grains, you probably will keep yourself in ketosis. And this is where this method works. And this can also be helpful with people that like to have everything really black and white without measuring. And so in general, if you keep your carb count under 30 or 20 grams a day, you will stay in ketosis. And this is just kind of a way to do that. And so in the "You Can't Eat That on Keto" method is usually you're not going to be able to have any sweet vegetables, which is like root vegetables. Sweet potatoes are definitely not allowed. Tomatoes are not allowed. So what you can have is like leafy greens and like zucchini, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, that kind of thing. You can have meat, you can have cheese, you can have eggs. You can't have any sugar. You can't have any fruit of any kind, even berries, which some people will say, oh, berries are allowed on keto, but other fruit is not. And again, this just kind of depends on your own personal carb tolerance and which way you like to do your way of eating. So most people will stay in ketosis on the "You Can't Eat That on Keto" method, but it's not the only way to stay in ketosis. And in the Keto Family class, which I will link to below, I have meal plans and everything for you with all of these so-called keto allowed foods. And so if this is the way that you like to do things and you kind of don't want to have to measure stuff your own, you don't want to have to weigh out your food and calculate it every day, I do have meal plans with all of the carb counts and everything counted for you. And we have lots of recipes with whole foods. We're not using any Franken foods like erythritol or sugar alcohols in our recipes. These are all whole foods that are nourishing to your body, that can kind of get you to what you are looking for on the ketogenic diet. And they will definitely keep you in ketosis. So if you would like to click below, I would love to have you at our Keto Family class.